Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu easy. First, ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature for a smoother cream. This simple method focuses on clear steps to help you create a delicious dessert without any fuss. We'll cover everything from preparing your coffee to assembling the layers, ensuring a perfect tiramisu every time. Get ready to impress with this delightful treat. Next, let's prepare the coffee and Ladyfingers. Brew a strong batch of espresso or very strong coffee, then allow it to cool completely. This is crucial for flavor and texture. Gently and quickly dip each Ladyfinger into the cooled coffee, ensuring it's coated but not saturated. Over-soaking will make your tiramisu watery, so be swift. Now for the star of the show, the mascarpone cream. Begin by whipping egg yolks with sugar until they are pale and fluffy. Then, gently fold in the mascarpone cheese until it's just combined, being careful not to overmix. In a separate bowl, whip egg whites to stiff peaks and carefully fold them into your mascarpone mixture. This creates a light, airy cream. Finally, it's time to assemble and chill your tiramisu. Start by layering the coffee-dipped Ladyfingers in your chosen dish. Follow with a generous spread of the mascarpone cream. Repeat these layers, finishing with a smooth top layer of cream. Dust generously with cocoa powder, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. This chilling time is essential for the flavors to meld and the dessert to set perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.